When it comes to producing medicines, trust is everything. Trust between patients and healthcare professionals, trust in manufacturers, and trust in suppliers. Because medicines only work if they are safe, completely sterile, made according to the most stringent protocols, with zero contamination, and with no room for error. Only Getinge is there from A to Z, ensuring safety and quality with the original DPTE rapid transfer port system. Working in partnership to support planning and design. Providing expert advice, training, and maintenance support. Always one step ahead to keep production up and running. To keep medicines safe. Each day we do our part to enhance process and patient safety with the complete solution, the original DPTE Rapid Transfer Port System.